Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ronnie here with Osborn, and today we're going to be going over the Osborn Crimped wire tube brushes. Now, these tube brushes are constructed of either premium steel or stainless steel filament in a variety of brush diameters from 3/8 all the way to 2 inch. The Osborn Crimped wire tube brush offers exceptional internal cleaning and surface preparation capabilities. The double stem and double spiral design offers ruggedness and versatility that can be used as either a hand tool mounted in a drill press or a portable power tool, which is what we're going to do today. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so we got the Osborn Crimped wire tube brushes right here. And now you can get the ones that have a handle on them. These don't. These we're going to use with a drill. I'll show you how we do that. You just loosen up the chuck right there. Go ahead and put that in there. And that's what you want right there. So we'll go ahead and this is a 2-inch copper fitting. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned up. So we'll go ahead and we'll put that right in there. Look at that. We'll go ahead and do that other side. Look at that bad boy. Got it all nice and cleaned up. All right, so we got our fitting all cleaned up using the Crimped wire tube brush by Osborn. This is a 2-inch fitting. Like I said, it goes from 2-inch all the way to 3/8. So definitely check it out, osborn.com. Osborn Crimped wire tube brush.